One of the skills you need to be able to do is come up with the formula of a chemical substance given its name. So take, for example, one that you probably already know, sodium chloride. This is telling you the first element in the compound. If you don't know the symbol for that element, please look in Table S. It is Na. And then this, while the ending has been changed to IDE, is still referring to chlorine. At this point, you're not actually done. You need to check the oxidation numbers and then balance. For that, we need the periodic table. Here's sodium over here. Its oxidation number is +1. And then when you look over at chlorine, you'll see there's a whole bunch of them, but we're going to use the negative oxidation number because chlorine is the last element in the compound. Since sodium is +1 and chlorine is -1, the two cancel out, making the overall charge on the compound 0. So the proper formula would be NaCl, and this would be your answer. Let's do another example where they do not balance like that. So this time I'm going to do rubidium oxide. Again, if you don't know the elements' names, please look them up in Table S and don't guess. So rubidium is Rb, and oxide is what we call oxygen when it's in a binary compound. So that's just O. Now looking at our periodic table, here's rubidium here. It's a +1. And then if I move this over to find oxygen, it is -2. Those oxidation numbers do not cancel out. Essentially what they're saying to us is rubidium has 1 electron it would like to give up so that it will end up having a +1 charge. Oxygen would like 2 electrons. So in order to make both these elements happy, we would need to have 2 rubidiums to balance that out. So the actual formula would be Rb2O. Another way to do this, I look at the oxidation numbers. If they don't cancel out and you can't reduce them, I drop the signs and I do what I call the swap and drop. So essentially all I did was I took this number here, that is not what I meant to do, and I put it down here. And then this number here, again without the sign, is really down there. We just don't actually write it. So that's how you can come up with the formula as well.